If you're looking for side hustles for extra money, you've probably noticed that most of what you see online doesn't actually work, or it takes way too long to actually make money. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the side hustles that actually work right now, and what I'd focus on if I was starting from zero, including one that helped me generate over $200,000 from one single video. Hey guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. In this video, I want to make this super practical, so I'm going to be ranking these from easiest to hardest to scale. And trust me, the last one's probably not what you expect. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and let me know in comments saying I subscribe, and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's dive straight in. Side hustle 1, print on demand. Imagine uploading a design once and waking up to sales while somebody else handles the printing, shipping, customer service. That's why print on demand exploded. This is where you sell products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, without ever holding any inventory yourself or spending a single dollar up front. And honestly, AI completely changes the game. What used to take designers hours can now be done in just minutes. Let me show you. I can drop a prompt into ChatGPT like this, and in seconds it's created an awesome design for us. Or you can do this directly inside Printify, which is a print-on-demand service I personally recommend. It's one of the most popular ones out there, and I'll leave a link to that below the video. Inside Printify you can choose from tons of different products, but I'd recommend starting off with the best sellers. So I'm going to choose this hoodie right here, and here's where it gets interesting. We can use the AI image generator inside Printify, and we can paste in the same prompt right here, and we can instantly generate images. And look at this, this looks super cool. So literally in less than 10 seconds, we've got a design ready to sell. So we can resize this and reposition this, and we're ready to go. And just like that, our product is live. Now most beginners think this is the hard part, but honestly, creating a product is easy. The real skill is getting attention, because once people see your products, this becomes incredibly scalable. You're not trading time for money anymore. One design can sell over and over again. And if you're even making $8, $10 profit per sale, just a few sales a day can start turning into real monthly income. But there's one huge problem. Even the best product won't make any money if no one sees it. And that leads into the next side hustle. Side hustle 2, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn commissions whenever someone buys through your link. And seriously, don't underestimate this. I've personally done over 3 million in sales online, and in the beginning a huge part of that was from affiliate marketing. One simple video I uploaded kept generating sales month after month, and eventually brought in over $200,000. And the crazy part, I didn't need any inventory, any custom support, or even my own product. I was simply connecting people to the things they already wanted. I've even had a single email generate nearly $1,000 in under an hour. And that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. There's tons of free affiliate programs out there to join. One of the easiest for beginners is Amazon Associates, and I'll leave a link to that below the video. Once you join, you can generate affiliate links for basically any product on Amazon. Then you share the link online, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, blogs, Facebook groups, wherever your audience is. And when someone buys, you get paid. It's honestly one of the simplest business models online, and I also have a free guide below showing you how to get accepted. And it also includes best practices for beginners. But honestly, none of this works without attention. And that's where the next side hustle becomes the most important one on the list. A quick side note, a lot of this becomes way easier because of AI. So if you want to learn how people are actually making money using AI tools right now, I've got a free community where I break this down step by step. And I'll leave a link to that below the video. And no, you don't need a massive audience. You just need attention in the right place. Side hustle 3, content creation. Right now, attention is one of the most valuable things on the internet, and content creation is how normal people are tapping into this. This is how you promote affiliate products, drive traffic to your print on demand store, build a personal brand, and even get paid directly from platforms themselves. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, short form content. This stuff's exploding. And no, you don't need expensive equipment. Your phone is enough. I'm literally recording this video right now using my phone. The biggest advantage with content creation is that your work compounds. One video can keep bringing in views, clicks, followers, income for months, even for years. And honestly, this next one is probably the fastest way to make money immediately. Side hustle 4, quick cash. But there are apps and local services that can make money surprisingly fast. Things like dog walking, pet sitting, delivery apps, Facebook Marketplace flipping, local cleaning services. People are making real money with this stuff. For example, a lot of you probably already take care of your own pets, right? So why not get paid for it? There's a website called Rover where people literally pay you to walk dogs, pet sit, or even just stop by someone's house to feed their cat. And the crazy part, you don't even need to keep the pets in your own home. Sometimes people just want someone reliable to check in for 15 minutes. And I'll leave a link to that below the video. Now this won't usually bring in huge business, but it's one of the fastest ways to generate extra cash quickly. And speaking of getting paid for skills, this next one can become a serious long-term income. Side hustle 5, 5, freelancing. This is another solid option, especially if you already have some kind of skill. And honestly, most people already do. Editing, writing, graphic design, social media, thumbnail design. Businesses are always looking for help with this stuff. And thanks to AI, honestly, this is easier than ever to offer these services. The easiest way to start is through platforms like Fiverr. You create a profile, list your skills, and start getting clients. And the opportunities here are endless. You can literally get paid for things like video editing, voiceovers, logo design, thumbnail designs, or even things as random as being a virtual tour guide. But here's the mistake most beginners make. They're way too general. So instead of saying I'm a video editor, say I edit TikTok videos for fitness creators. That's how you stand out and actually get clients. And honestly, this is probably the fastest side hustle on the list to make your first dollar online, because businesses already need these services. Yes, it takes effort up front, but once you get a few clients, it can turn into consistent income surprisingly fast. Real question, if you had to start with one of these today, which one would you pick? Comment below. And if you're still watching right now, comment yo, so I know who the real ones are. Here's the truth, most side hustles for extra money don't work, because people jump from one thing to the next too quickly. The people who actually make money, they pick one and they stick with it long enough for it to actually work. And that's the difference. So if you're serious about building side hustles for extra money, don't overthink it. Just start with one and stay consistent. If you want me to break down exactly how to start with print on demand step by step, comment print and I'll make a full guide. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed. If this helps, smash like and I'll see you in the next video.